Trade with the easy-to-use MetaTrader 4 Ultimatefxtools Indicator. We introduced the XProfit version 2 indicator, which delivers optimal results when trading major currency pairs. It is based on Forex market data. We have an IQ option strategy here and achieved winning trades on both USD JPY and AUD CAD. We are using the XProfit indicator from Ultimatefxtools.com. Let's wait for the signal to appear. We received a buy signal on Euro USD. Let's navigate to Euro USD and place a trade going higher. We have clear instructions on how to install the indicator on your PC. Installation requires some knowledge, but once you have the MetaTrader 4 platform on your desktop, it becomes your next tool for handling trade signals. Unfortunately, we incurred a loss on Euro USD. GBP USD generated a sell signal alert, confirming a lower price prediction for the next few seconds. Let's place a trade on it. Let's wait for our trade to be done. We have amazing results here, with only 2 to 3 losses on our recent trades. This method has 60 to 85% success rate. It will be based on trading hours and will improve your trading performance with the indicator itself. We wait for our trade to finish and a high chance for this trade to become a winning trade. And we achieved a winning trade. GBP USD produced another sell signal, but the trend had already moved down, so it was not advisable to trade. Trade only when the signal is on opposite or taking a reversal spot on the trend. Let's wait for another signal confirmation. A new signal appeared on Euro USD, a confirmed buy alert. We observed red candles on our IQ option chart, so we placed a 1-minute trade going up, hoping for a reversal. This was a 50-50 situation based on the trend pattern, but we ended up with a loss. USD JPY and Euro JPY generated sell signals, and GBP USD also showed sell alert confirmations. Let's trade with them one by one in hoping that we will win on that signal confirmations. We waited for the trades to finish, hoping all 3 open trades would result in wins. And we achieved perfect trades on all 3 currency pairs. USD JPY produced a sell alert while showing an uptrend bar, so we traded it going down. GBP USD generated a buy signal while in a downtrend, and we hoped for a reversal. XProfit uses an algorithm that detects possible trend reversals for quick 30-second to 1-minute trades. This method is favored by many traders, especially because it requires no charting, no additional indicators, and is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We achieved a win on that trade. Past results do not guarantee future results. It is best to trade on your own and use a demo account before trading with real funds. GBP USD, a buy alert confirmation, and a good downtrend situation here. Let's reverse it by trading upward. Sometimes you need to experiment with trading times, identify profitable hours, and consider market fluctuations and other factors. Watch the rest of the video and download the XProfit indicator now at ultimatefxtools.com.
And got perfect winning trade on that.